Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to do a chit chat about can we upgrade a Pandora key to a Pandora box 6 and the other way around. There were some comments last month. People were asking, I have a Pandora key and I just want to upgrade to Pandora box 6 and yeah, they want to swap out. And I'm going to show you step by step if it's possible or not. Stay tuned and let's talk about some awesome stuff. Alright, the first major difference between the Pandora box 6 and the Pandora key. For example, the Pandora box has a lot of extra features. Here we can see it. But they are missing out on the Pandora key. It don't have to be a very big issue. But keep in mind that if you want to swap from the key to the box or other way around, you're missing out some buttons. As you can see here above, we only having with the 3D box only some buttons like the coin, the start player 1 and 2 of course, and the pause button for going back to the main menu. Alright, let's take a close look at the main board of the Pandora 3D. As you can see here, there are some different versions with different coolings, even some colors other PCB board, but if you look at the precision where the screws are, it's exactly the same, so this is not going to be a problem. All of these PCB boards are connected with this EDA. I'm just going to call it old school EDA. You can pull it out, and if you want you can just grab yourself another main board and you can just stick it in. I want to point out, and there's something you need to really consider. All of these pins have a different function. So if you put in another version, it's highly possible that if you put this, just stick it in the new main board, all of your buttons are not configured correctly anymore. Alright, so you have this Pandora key. And let's order a Pandora box 6, and this is what we're going to get. It comes in this very nice casing, and we cannot add it in our Pandora 3D box. That's not a big problem because we can remove this. So just rip off the top and you can pull it out very easily. Just remove the screws and you can click it out. So that's not a very big problem. But what you already can see here, if you look at, I hope you can see it on the video, the size of the main board is exactly the same, and you can just put it in, pull this out, stick into this slot, and you maybe have to swap out some cables over here or just reconfigure everything. But nevertheless, it's going to work. That is not a big problem. But there is something I have recently found out, and that is going to be a major problem. And here is where the main problem is. So if you have a Pandora key and you want to have a Pandora box, original Pandora box in your system, the problem is going to be that all these connectors are different. Okay, I'm going to put this one on top. I'm going to move the camera a little bit. So if you're positioning the main board on top of the key, maybe you can already see it. They have added an extra USB connector here. So if you pull it out and you want to stick it in, this is not going to work because the setting button is over here and they just swapped everything out. So does it fit in this casing? No, it's not possible to fit it in the Pandora 3D. Alright, let's grab ourselves a Pandora box, the official 3DA store. But nevertheless, this is what we're going to get. And the first thing noticing this, we have this very big hole here. So we can fit in everything we want. This Pandora is provided with a wireless unit. So as you can see here, this is the original one, but it doesn't matter if you even want to put in Pandora key without this casing, because as far as I know the Pandora key doesn't have this very nice plastic casing around it. Nevertheless, it will fit. So you can put a Pandora key 3D or 7 into a Pandora box, but unfortunately you cannot put a Pandora box into a Pandora key 7. Alright, so that's it. So for the final conclusion, and I hope this video helped you out. So let's put all of the information together. What can you do and what can you not do? What can you do? You can just add a Pandora key or 3D into your Pandora box. That is possible. But keep in mind, some function will not work or some function you need to swap out beneath the buttons. Pull out the little connectors and just swap them around until the point you have connected everything correctly. But you cannot put in Pandora's box 6 into a Pandora key, this version 3D, key 7, etc, etc. Check out the back of the system. So yeah, I hope this video helped. I got this request a lot and I needed to figure it out with all these new versions coming out. So this is where we're going to get, people. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. Now, if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.